My name is Ivo Grlica. I'm a founding partner of Grlica Law Firm, lawyers you can trust. Today I want to talk with you about one very important matter, and this is why you should care about protecting your intellectual property, namely why you should bother to register a trademark. There are many reasons why this is important. First, when you grow your business, when you become more and more important on the market, when you become more and more visible and actually more and more wealthy, some third parties may show up and they might say that actually your success is owed to them. Namely that you stole something from them, you stole their image, you stole their brand, which you might not even heard about, but they have registered it and they have in a way monopolized it. And that way you might be exposed either to very expensive litigation with them, court expenses, lawyer expenses, and so on. You might be even forced to actually pay them some damages for infringing their intellectual property. Or you might be actually forced to rebrand, to change your name, to change your image which you are using, and it's very inconvenient, to say the least. It might be also very confusing to your workers, to your partners, to your users, to your buyers, explaining why you actually are forced to use some different name, why you're suddenly changing your corporate image and so on. So in that case, registering a trademark, protecting your name and image at the beginning, where you're already only starting your business, is very important. That way you can be very safe, you can feel very comfortable. Second, when you're successful, some people or some companies might want to attach to your success. They might want to steal your brand and sell their services under your name. And at that times, it might be very hard to prove that your name is actually yours, that they are stealing from you and not you stealing from them. In that case, having certificate, which can be verified online 24/7, is a very good proof. It's the ultimate proof that you own your brand and that actually it's them who are violating your intellectual property. And that way it's also very easy, even without court procedures. If we're talking about some host providers, some platforms, it's very easy to take these scammers down from the internet, down from some platforms. And having registered a trademark is a very easy way to do it. Otherwise, this proving that you own your own name is actually very hard. Might be some hard in some cases. And speaking about protection, it's also nice to mention that owning a trademark might be an opportunity, because by registering it, you obtain a legally recognizable right to use it. And this name actually becomes an asset, just like real estate, just like shares, just like some other asset. You might sell it, you might pledge it to your creditors, to your bank, or you might license it further. And that's also very beneficial and a very useful way to expand your business. Actually finding partners in foreign jurisdictions and actually licensing your name to your partners. That way you might expand very quickly and very efficiently, just like one of the biggest players like McDonald's or some other franchise providers, franchise developers. And last but not least, licensing out and growing your business by way of franchising or licensing your products, licensing your name, your trademark, might be also very tax efficient way to grow your business, because as you know, in international tax, royalties are usually treated in a very tax beneficial way. So these are some reasons why trademark is important, not only as a means of a protection, but also as a means of opportunity for growth, and last but not least, even some important tax savings. That will be all for today. Thank you for being with us. Have a nice day. Bye bye.